guys. Oh my gosh.
All right.
It's been 7 years since we've been back here. This is unbelievable. So many people out there. I love you boys. We're ready. Love you.
Ready.
Love you boys. Let's go. Let's go.
The right trigger is ready.
Got you. Got you.
Looking good, baby. Here we go.
Do you remember sneaking hard lemonades out here and getting drunk on the sandbar?
Why do teenagers like bad booze?
Availability.
It is such a trip being back here.
It's weird how much things can change in just 7 years. Like, there are entire streets that I barely even recognize. Do you ever think about it?
What? Coming back?
Yeah. I don't know. It's quiet, you know? Quiet is nice sometimes.
And cold. Quiet and cold.
Oh, but you looked so cute in that giant coat and shorts, scraping ice off my windshield before I went to work.
Oh my gosh, I totally forgot about that. I don't miss that at all.
It's just the comfort of the familiar. Like walking into a coffee shop and knowing that you're gonna see someone that you know at any time of the day. Or drinking in a cornfield, just staring up at the sky.
Yeah. And dreaming of the band paying our bills and taking us all over the world.
Yeah. Can you outgrow a dream? I always loved the way you watched the world. Your achievements always felt shared, like I was a part of them myself. You made me feel seen. Even the hard moments were worth it. We always talked about home and how much we wanted to leave. We built our own version in the backs of vans and the hallways of dirty buildings. Every stage brought us closer together. But then I needed more. Not from you, but from myself. I think it's time for me to chase something of my own. Something that makes me feel that way. you'll look out from the stage and see me looking back again. Please remember that the best moments of your life may be the ones you haven't lived yet.
I was so